A dribble is movement of the ball caused by a player in control who throws or taps the ball to the floor. Dribbling is a repetitive action in which a player uses one hand to bounce the basketball continuously. Rebounding. In basketball, a rebound, sometimes colloquially referred to as a board, is a statistic awarded to a player who retrieves the ball after a missed field goal or free throw. A rebound can be grabbed by either an offensive player or a defensive player. Shooting. Shooting is the act of attempting to score points by throwing the ball through the basket. Running. Running is a big part of basketball. In a full court game, you will find yourself running back and forth as the game quickly transitions between offense and defense. When you have the ball, running will help you to avoid defenders and get to the basket quicker. Passing. Passing in basketball is a way for players to move the ball on the court between teammates. Passing is a two-step process that requires a minimum of two players on the same team to be effective. In order to pass the ball, a player must throw or move the ball to a teammate and the teammate must catch the ball.